जय, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
Happened to work with Appala Prasadji on the Swadeshi Jagan Manch. We did one weavers project in Dubaga that time. Good to know that you founded that organization. So my brother-in-law, my cousin Purla Dakshinamurthy was RSS president for Telangana previously, and that's how we got connected. So I have one big question, which is uniform civil code, and we have accomplished many of these, like Ram Mandir and Triple Talaq, then 370. Now the next big thing on our mind, when this uniform civil code is going to happen, what is the strategy for the BJP to get it done?
Be a guest, having that, especially Pratibhaji and Murliji, both of them organize this. And so many people come there, different, not just one party. He invites everybody, especially the weavers and everyone. He recognizes everyone. So even though he's not in the moment now with the Swadesh, but he still continues that. So I just want to let all our friends know that. Thank you, Murliji, for that.
Thank you.
And coming to party, I'm not talking about our economy and all that, and I have a lot of confidence about Modiji, that I can tell you the difference between previous and now. When I go to India, my biggest problem was carry the cash. So I just need to put a lot of money, and go there. Anywhere I go shopping and all. Now, just a phone, that's it. So I was going and buying some bananas. I had some cash of 50 rupees. And the lady in the cart, she says, Amma, do it on the phone, scan it. I don't have change for 50 rupees. The bananas are only 20 rupees so far. So look at the digitalization, how it came and how the common man and common people got used to the digitalization. We say that always, they're not educated, people are poor, this, that and all. But if need comes and if we teach them, they will learn. The banana lady, whoever is selling, she don't know anything. But she learned how to get her money by living. That's one thing.
Sure.
And Murliji, one more thing about US and our volunteers. I wanted to ask you, what we do here about our BJP volunteers. Like I know Sudhakaji and Vilas, many times if Modiji comes, we all go to New York, 20,000, 30,000. But when we come to here, it's like any party leaders from any regional, we are nationwide party, we're not regional parties. So, so many experienced BJP leaders are here who has attended shakas and everything. And where the knowledge is going, why we are not sharing, why our representatives from every state coming here and asking and making our people do a shaka here and organize a meeting here. And then I never see any meeting like this. Only regional representatives, they come, regional parties, they come and do culture and do things and all. Being a national party worldwide, we recognize, we develop, we are no longer a developing country. We already developed, we are going to be placed in 1 and 2, 3 places. We are already placed. We are going to be the number 1 in future very soon. But where is our cadre going here? I don't see any volunteer who says that Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Why don't we see that? That's what I wanted to see. What we are going to the current generation and next generation, for the future generation, what we are going to teach them. I wanted to know that, sir. Thank you so much.